This is Sanjay Roy and you are welcome to my channel Physics Digitizing. Today you will learn about very important topic of physics in kinematics, and this is crossing the river. Very frequently students have to face some problems in different competitive exams about crossing the river. Sometimes you will be asked to cross the river in shortest path and to cross the river in a shortest time. Okay, let's start our topic, crossing the river. Say this is a river with W. River is flowing with velocity Vr. A and B are two directly opposite points of the river. First, we have to discuss crossing the river in shortest path. Shortest path. If we want to go from this bank to this bank, here AB is the shortest path. If we drive a boat along this direction AB, we cannot reach this point B because due to the river current, the boat will be drift in this direction. Then obviously to go directly opposite point, that is shortest path, the boat should be headed in this direction. Here VB equal to velocity of boat, VR equal to velocity of river current. This is VB, velocity of boat. Say VB is at an angle theta with the line AB. If we resolve this VB, then we get this is VB cos theta and this is VB sin theta. So here we see that three velocities, VB sin theta, VR, VB cos theta on the boat. The body, so this is X direction and this is Y direction. If we start from this point A and reach this point B, then we see that delta X or X displacement about X direction, X direction equal to 0. If we, this is X direction and this is Y direction. If we reach this point B, this is on the line of Y axis. Therefore, X equal to 0. When X will be 0, the velocity along the X axis here, VR and VB sin theta. VR is along the positive X axis and VB sin theta is along the negative X axis. Then the relative velocity along the X axis, VB sin theta, VR minus VB sin theta. VR minus VB sin theta, this is the velocity of the boat, relative velocity of the boat along the X axis. If this is 0, there will be no drift along the X direction, and then the boat will reach from A to B. This means VB sin theta equal to VR. and then we get sin theta equal to VR by VB, or theta equal to sin inverse VR by VB. Then if we steers a boat along this direction with an angle theta, then we reach the other bank in a shortest path. And what will be the time for this? This time t equal to, this is the linear displacement along y, and this is width of the river w, and the velocity along y direction, this is Vy. What is Vy? Vy is the Vb cos theta. Vb cos theta. Then this is the time. This is the time for shortest path, crossing the river in a shortest path. And the condition is sin theta equal to VR by VB. Here the boat should be driven along this direction, and this is the angle theta, and this angle is 90 degree plus sin inverse VR by VB. These angles with the river current. Okay. Next we go to shortest time. What will be the shortest time to cross the river? Here in general we see that if we drive a boat at an angle theta with this line AB, then the time taken to reach the other bank is t equal to W by VB cos theta. T equal to W by VB cos theta. This is the general case. Now the question is, what will be the shortest time? When will be the shortest time? Here we see that W and VB is constant. Only the variable term is cos theta, that is theta. T will be minimum if cos theta is maximum. We know the maximum value of cos theta is 1, and this is theta equal to 0 degree. Then the boat should be driven across the river along the AB direction. The boat moves along the AB direction, then it will reach with shortest time. Shortest time. Theta equal to 0, and this time T mean will be W by VB. Here only the velocity of boat is responsible for this displacement along the y direction, W by VB. But in this case the boat will move, say, in this position C. This is the drift. This is the drift along the x direction. What will be the velocity of drifting? Here x equal to VR into T. Here x equal to VR. This drift along the x direction is only for the river current VR, because VR is along the x axis. Then drift x equal to VR into T. Here T, this T equal to W by VB. W by VB. Then this is the drift for crossing the river in a shortest time, and this time of shortest time T mean equal to W by VB. Now I will discuss some numerical problems relating to crossing the river. See our first problems. A man can row a boat with 4 km per hour in still water. He is crossing a river where the river current is 2 km per hour. In what direction will his boat be headed if he wants to reach a point on other bank directly opposite to the starting point? Question B. If width of the river is 4 km, how long will the man take to cross the river? With the condition in part A. And third question, in what direction should he head to cross the river in shortest time, and what is this time? Repeat, a man can row a boat with 4 km per hour in still water. He is crossing a river where the river current is 2 km per hour. First question, in what direction will his boat be headed if he wants to reach a point on other bank directly opposite to the starting point? If width of the river is 4 km, how long will the man take to cross the river? With the condition in part A. And third question, in what direction should he head to cross the river in shortest time, and what will be the time? Okay, let's solve this problem. VB, that is velocity of boat in still water, 4 km per hour, and river current 2 km per hour. The width of the river is 4 km. This is river current VR. This is width W. Our first problem was, in what direction should the boat head to reach directly opposite to the starting point? Say A is the starting point, then AB is the shortest path. Here VR is the river current. Therefore, if the boat heads along the direction AB, he do not reach just this point B because of the river current. Therefore, the boat should be headed along this direction. Say this angle is theta. Now, if we resolve this component, this is VB cos theta, this is VB sin theta. We discussed in our theoretical part, if the relative velocity along x direction VR minus VB sin theta equal to 0, then there will be no drift along the x direction and the boat just reached along the opposite direction of the starting point, and this is the shortest path, and this is the condition VR equal to VB sin theta, that is sin theta equal to VR by VB. Here VR equal to river current 2 km per hour and the velocity of boat 4 km per hour, and this gives theta equal to 30 degree. That is, a boat should be driven at an angle 90 plus 30, that is 120 degree angle with river current. This is our direction. The boat should head it along the direction with an angle 120 degree with river current. This is 120 degree angle. And the related other question was, what is the time for shortest path? Shortest path t equal to along this y direction the displacement w and the velocity along this direction vb cos theta. Then this is our time. Here w is 4 and vb, that is velocity of boat, 4, and theta, the angle theta here 30 degree, that is root 3 by 2, then we get 2 by root 3 hour. Then the boatman takes time 2 by root 3 hour to cross the boat in shortest path. And another question was, in what direction the man go to reach to cross the river in shortest time? In general, we see that t equal to Vr by Vb cos theta. When the boat moves along this direction, t equal to Vr by Vb cos theta. This is the time to cross the river. Now t will be minimum. T will be minimum if cos theta equal to 1, that is theta equal to 0 degree. Theta is 0. This means the boat moves along the direction AB. Along the direction AB, if the boatman moves along the direction AB, then it will take the shortest time. And this shortest time t equal to Vr by Vb. Here this is W width, this is W width, and width 4 km, velocity of boat 4, this is 1 hour. The boatman crosses the river with the minimum velocity 1 hour. See our second problem. A person crosses a river in a boat. If he crosses the river in minimum time, he takes 10 minutes with a drift of 120 meter. If he crosses the river taking shortest path, he takes 12.5 minutes. Find width of the river, velocity of the boat with respect to the water, and speed of the river current. Repeat. A person crosses a river in a boat. If he crosses the river in minimum time, he takes 10 minutes with a drift 120 meter. If he crosses the river taking shortest path, he takes 12.5 minutes. Find width of the river, velocity of the boat with respect to the water, and speed of the river current. Okay, let's solve. Okay, let's solve our problem. Here our given data: to cross the river in shortest time 10 minutes with a drift 120 meter, and the time to cross the river in shortest path 12.5 minutes. First condition, we have to cross the river in shortest time. In our theoretical part, we discussed that to cross the river in shortest time, a boat should be driven along this direction. That is, the boat move across the river. This is the river current VR, and this time t equal to W by VB. W is the displacement along y direction. Say this is y direction, this is x direction. Then W by VB. VB is the velocity along y direction. And this time is 10. 10 equal to W by VB. And the drift x equal to, and the displacement along x, this is drift, and this drift is only for the river current, that is VR into T. VR into T equal to 10. W by VB, that is 10. Here the value of x is 120. Then we get river current equal to 12 meter per minute. 12 meter per minute. Second condition, we want to cross the river in a shortest path. Here the shortest path is AB. To cross the river in shortest path, the boat should head along this direction with an angle theta with the line AB. And the component along AB of VB is VB cos theta, and this is VB sin theta. We discussed earlier, to cross the river in shortest path, VB sin theta equal to VR. Then there will be no drift along x direction if the component VB sin theta is same as the river current. From this we get sin theta equal to VR by VB. And for this, the time t equal to W by VB cos theta, and this time is given 12.5. We already got W by VB equal to 10. Here we substitute W by VB, 10 by cos theta equal to 12.5, and we get cos theta equal to 10 by 12.5, that is 100 by 12.5, and this gives cos theta equal to 4 by 5. Now we can calculate sin theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, that is 16 by 25 under root, and this is 3 by 5. Sin theta equal to 3 by 5. Now if we substitute the value of sin theta and VR, then we get VB. Then what is VB? Sin theta equal to VR by VB. Sin theta 3 by 5. VR equal to 12. this is VB. Therefore, VB equal to 12 into 5 by 3, and this gives 20 meter per minute. This is the velocity of boat. Velocity of boat. This is velocity of river current 12 meter per minute. Velocity of boat 20 meter per minute. Now we have to calculate the width of the river. From the first condition we get minimum time T min equal to W by VB, and T min equal to 10, W by VB equal to 20. Therefore, W equal to 200 meter. These are three answers. River current 12 meter per minute, velocity of boat 20 meter per minute, and the width of the river is 200 meter. Okay, we go for next problem. This is our last problem. See the problem. A boatman wants to reach a point B on the opposite bank of a stream flowing at a speed as shown in figure. What minimum speed relative to water should the man have so that he can reach point B? In which direction should he swim? This is a river and the river current is here. A boat is moving in this direction. It is an arbitrary direction VB with velocity VB. The boatman want to reach this point B, and this line is at an angle 45 degree. This is our given situation. We have to find out what will be the velocity of boatman, minimum velocity of the boatman, so that he can reach this point from A to B, and what will be the direction, exact direction. Say the boatman moves along this direction with velocity VB with angle theta. Now we resolve this component VB. This is VB sin theta, and along this direction VB cos theta. Therefore, the velocity of the boat Vx along the x direction, resultant velocity of the boat Vr minus Vb sin theta, and along the y direction Vy equal to Vb cos theta. Then we see that the resultant velocity of the boat along x direction equal to Vr minus Vb sin theta, and Vy equal to Vb cos theta. the boat finally reached the point B from A, then VBR is the resultant velocity along AB. VBR is the resultant velocity with an angle 45 degree with y direction. Therefore, tan 45 degree equal to Vy by Vx. Or Vx by Vy. Here 45 degree. So velocity along x direction by velocity along y direction. This is 1 Vx equal to Vr minus Vb sin theta and Vy equal to Vb cos theta, and we get Vb cos theta equal to Vr minus Vb sin theta. Vb into cos theta plus sin theta equal to Vr, or Vb equal to Vr by cos theta plus sin theta. In general, this is the velocity of boat. Now we have to find out the condition, the minimum velocity of boat, so that it will reach the point B. And for this minimum velocity, now we modify the problem. Vr 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. First we write sin theta, 1 by root 2 cos theta. Therefore, Vb equal to this is Vr under divided by root 2 into, this is cos 45 degree. So sin theta cos 45 degree plus cos theta, we can write 1 by root 2 equal to sin 45 degree. And this is Vr by root 2 into sin theta plus 45 degree. This is the expression of velocity of boat. Vb equal to Vr divided by root 2 into sin theta plus 45 degree. Now we have to calculate the minimum velocity of the boat. V to be minimum, obviously sin theta plus 45 degree will be maximum, and the maximum value of sin is 1, and this is theta plus 45 degree equal to 90 degree, and we get theta equal to 90 minus 45, this is 45 degree. Therefore we see that the boat should be headed along the angle 90 plus 45, that is 135 degree angle with the river current. If the boat should be driven at an angle 135 degree with the river current, then it will reach the point B with minimum velocity, and this minimum velocity Vb minimum equal to VR by root 2 because sin theta plus 45 degree this is 1. Therefore minimum velocity VR by root 2. Okay, this is all about our crossing the river. Okay.